Good morning. Chapter Trigonometric Function, exercise 3.3 from question number 10. So the question is, prove that sin n plus 1 x into sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x equal to cos x. That means sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. This is the form. Equal to cos x is the right hand side. We have to prove this. Okay. So start from left hand side. Left hand side, right? Question. Left hand side is sin n plus 1 into x. Sin n plus 1 into x into sin n plus 2 into x, sin n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 plus cos n plus 1 into x into cos n plus 2 into x into cos n plus 2 into x. Okay, that means this is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. A means n plus 1 into x and B means n plus 2 into x. So what is the formula of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B? Cos A cos B
Cos A minus B.
cos A minus B. Okay. So cos A means n plus 1 into x. So that is n plus 1 into x. This is A minus B means n plus 2 into x. N plus 2 into x. Okay. Now simplify this. So this is equal to cos nx plus x, nx plus x multiplied by x minus nx plus minus minus 2x. Okay. So nx cancel, plus nx and minus nx, this, and this equal to cos x minus 2x, that is minus x. So we know cos minus x means cos x.
Cos X.
Yes, cos x. And right hand side is cos x only. So this is equal to right hand side. This is equal to right hand side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 11. Question number 11 is, prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to minus root 2 sin x. Okay. So write on the left hand side question. Start from left hand side. Number 11. Left hand side, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x, cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. So minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay. Now use the formula cos A plus B first, then cos A minus B. So cos A plus B formula, we know cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So cos 3 pi by 4 cos A cos B cos x cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So sin 3 pi by 4 sin A into sin B, sin X, B means X. So cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, then minus sin, minus cos A minus B formula, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So first to write cos A cos B. So cos 3 pi by 4 cos A cos B, cos A cos B, then plus sin A sin B, but before sin is minus, so plus minus minus. So this is also minus sin A sin B, sin 3 pi by 4 sin A sin B. Now see cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x plus and minus cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x. This two are cancel. So this is equal to minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Both are minus sign, so minus 2 into sin. So this is equal to minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x, because cos cancel, this plus this,
Yes, sir.
these two are cancel. Okay, now 3 pi by 4 means we have to find this value, equal to minus 2 sin. So pi by 4 means 45. So 3 into 45, 135 degree.
135.
135. So 135 degree into sin x. Now this is equal to minus 2 sin 2 into 90 minus 45, 180 minus 45, that is 35, minus 45 into sin x, this into sin x, now 2 into 90, 2 is even, so sin only, and second quadrant sin positive, so this is equal to minus 2 sin 45 into sin x, and 45 means 1 by root 2, so this is equal to minus 2 into 1 by root 2 sin 45 into sin x. Now 2 by root 2 means root 2, because 2 means root 2 into root 2. So this is equal to minus root 2 sin x. So right hand side is minus root 2 sin x. So this is equal to right hand side.
Yes, sir.
And it is true. Okay, see. Next question number 12. So number 12 is prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Okay. So start from left hand side and use the formula sin square A minus sin square B. So sin square A minus sin square B formula is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Number 12. Question number 12, write down left hand side. Number 12, left hand side. Sin square 6x. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. 4x. Okay. So that means sin square a minus sin square b. This formula sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So sin a plus b, a means 6x and b means 4x. A plus b into sin a minus b into sin a minus b. Okay. So formula is, since sin square a minus sin square b, sin square a minus sin square b equal to sin a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. A minus b. Okay, calculate this. So this is equal to 6 plus 4 10x. Yes, sin 10x into 6 minus 4 2x, sin 2x. So 10x into 2x. So sin 10x into sin 2x, this is the right hand side. This is equal to right hand side.
Yes, sir.
This proved. Okay, write down. Next number.
Completed.
Question number 13 is cos square 2x minus cos square 6x in equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So 2x angle is first, then 6x. 6 is greater than 2. That means b angle first. So cos square b minus cos square a. This formula is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So start from left hand side, number 13. Number 13, left hand side, cos square 2x, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x minus cos square 6x. So cos square b minus cos square a. So equal to sin a plus b into sin a minus b. So equal to is okay. Right hand side also sin is there. So sin a plus b. A means 6x. So a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Sin a means 6x, b means 2x. So formula is, since cos square b minus cos square a equal to cos square b minus cos square a equal to sin a plus b, sin a plus b into sin a minus b into sin a minus b. Okay, this is the formula, and this is equal to, calculate this. So 6 plus 2, that is 8x, equal to sin 8x into 6 minus 2 4x,
Sin 2x.
sin 4x, 6 minus 2. So right hand side is Sin 4x into sin x. It's okay. So this is equal to right hand side. Right hand side, it is proved. Okay. Next question number 14. So question number 14 is sin 2x plus 2 sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x, sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay. So okay, same. Start from left hand side. Prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Number 14. Question number left hand side. Left hand side is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x plus sin 6x. Sin 6x. Okay. So 2 sin 4x we can write sin 4x plus sin 4x. 2 sin 4x. So equal to sin 4 plus sin 2x within one bracket plus sin 6 plus another sin 4x. Sin 4x. Sin 4x. Okay. Now use the formula sin C plus sin D. Okay. So C means 4x and D means 2x. Okay. For first part. So sin C plus sin D formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So use the formula. Formula is sin C plus sin D formula. Since sin C plus sin D. Okay. You can say sin x plus sin y also. Same thing. Same formula. So sin C plus sin D. This formula equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. So when both are sin and middle sign is plus, sin C plus sin D. So sin positive, that is sin C plus D by 2 into cos negative, cos C minus D by 2. Now use this formula. So C means 4x and D means 2x. So this is equal to 2 sin 4x plus 2x. 4x plus 2x by 2 divided by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x 4x minus 2x divided by 2. So sin c plus d by 2 into cos minus d by 2 plus middle sign is plus. So another one sin 6x plus sin 4x. Okay. So 2 sin. So 2 sin c means 6x plus d means 4x. C plus d by 2 into sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So 6x minus 4x by 2. Okay, calculate this now. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. So equal to 2 sin 4 plus 2 6, 6 by 2 3, that is 3x. 3x into cos 4 minus 2 2x and 2x by 2 only x plus 2 sin 6 plus 4 10 by 2 it is 5. So 2 sin 5x
5x
2 sin 5x, okay, into cos 6 minus 4 it is 2, 2 by 2 it is 1, so cos x. So cos x. Now say 2 sin 3x into cos x, 2 sin 5x into cos x. So 2 cos x is common. Take common 2 cos x. 2 cos x is common, equal to 2 cos x common. Then sin 3x plus sin 5x. Okay. Now same formula, sin c plus sin d, sin 3x plus sin 5x. Same formula. So 5x is c and 3x is d. So equal to 2 cos x. And question right hand side is 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay. So first use this formula into this into 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 5x plus 3x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x by 2, c minus d by 2, 5x minus 3x by 2. Okay. Now 2 into 2 4 cos x into 5 plus 3 8x by 2 4x into sin 4x, sin 4x, and into cos 5 minus 3 is 2, so 2x by 2 only x, so into cos x. Now cos x into cos x, cos square x, so equal to 4 cos square x, cos x into cos x into sin 4x. So right hand side is 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay. So this is equal to right hand side.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to right hand side. So therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side, it is proved. Okay, see now.
Yes, sir.
This was number 14. Okay. Next question is number 15. So 15 number question is, prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Okay. So start from left hand side. In this question we will do both left hand side and right hand side both. So first left hand side. Number left hand side is cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. Sin 5x plus sin 3x. Sin 5x plus sin 3x. That means same formula, sin c plus sin d. Use same formula, sin c plus sin d. So cot 4x into 2 sin c plus d by 2. So 5x plus 3x c plus d by 2 sin into cos c minus d by 2 into cos c minus d divided by 2. Okay. Then cot means cos by sin. So cos 4x by sin 4x. So this is equal to cos 4x divided by sin 4x. Okay. This into 2, 5 plus 3, 8 by 2, 4x. So sin 4x into 5x minus 3x, 2x, 2x by 2, 2 cancel, only x, so cos x. So into cos x. Now this sin 4x cancel. Sin 4x and sin 4x. Now this equal to 2 cos 4x into cos x. Into cos x. Okay. So this is the left hand side answer. Cos 4x into cos x. Now right hand side, see. From right hand side. So right hand side is cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 5x minus sin 3x. Sin 3x. Okay. So sin c minus sin d formula here. Sin c minus sin d. That means 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 because of minus sign. Cos plus sin minus. So this is equal to cot x into 2 cos plus cos 5x plus 3x divided by 2 into sin minus sin 5x minus 3x divided by 2. divided by 2. So equal to, cot means cos by sin, so cos x by sin x into 2, 5 plus 3 8, 8 by 2 4, so cos 4x
2 cos 4x
into 5 minus 3 2, 2 by 2 cancel, that is sin x only, sin x.
sin x
Now sin x cancel here, this sin x and this sin x, then 2 equal to 2 cos 4x into cos x. Okay, see the left hand side answer, 2 cos 4x.
yes sir
So left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side, and it is proved. So this is question number, this was number 15. Okay, it is proved. Thank you.